Hello. Follow me.
Hey guys, Journey here. Thank you for watching all the way through this video. We really appreciate it. And now we're going to get into announcements. And today we have 4 announcements this time. So let's get my glasses. Reuse paper. Announcement number 1. Our next main video is an unboxing video of the product Violamart BM800, which is a broadcasting mic. We use that for our recording of voices using the mic. Announcement number 2. There is an upcoming channel update video, and that's mainly gonna address that there's gonna be 2 new series of videos. That's mainly regarding me playing 2 games, 1 game for one series, the other series for another game. Announcement number 3. The current numbers for our channel is sitting at 1,160 subscribers and 339 hours of watch time on the channel. We have reached the 1,000 mark of subscribers, but we still haven't reached the 4,000 mark of hours watched on the channel. Please watch our videos all the way through. Play one of the playlists on loop or something. That would help us out heaps. Announcement number 4. Regarding the new broadcasting mic, we also have recently received our ordered new gear. Some of that gear will be used to help the channel, and we also did an unboxing video for that segment, and some of the gear that's in that video will be used to create more content, more videos, more recordings, whatever we need to do for the channel. So yeah, that's gonna come. I don't know when. We've done the filming and we gotta put it in the list of many videos to edit. So yeah, I'm gonna be pretty busy. So please keep your support coming through. I really appreciate it. So like those videos, comment, give me advice how I can edit them better. Maybe I'm not doing such a great job. Tell me if I'm not doing a great job. I will do my best to accommodate and adjust my things. And that's pretty much it for me. Thanks, guys. Peace.
Goodbye.